Hello there, guys. Welcome back. I'm on a vacation now in northern Sweden, and we are at our cabin. And it's morning, and I have not done any ghost hunting video this time around. So we are going to a cabin in the woods today. And well, I was thinking I can do a little movie of it, and we can see. We can do a movie for you and see if anything interesting happens. Hopefully we can do some exploring another day, like urban exploring or ghost hunting here. I'm not sure, but we will try. Let's go. Look here, so peaceful here. So peaceful. So beautiful and peaceful. Is there any fish here? Yeah, basically, a few. No, it's really hot here. Look, here's a few fishes. Is there anything more in there? Yes, there. And here we have Mr. Dog at the cabin here. He's sleeping. No. Hello, we are here now. Let's go out and look around here in the cabin. Look how dirty the car became in the Onycs cabin here. Look, there's a little river here and a fireplace. Wow, look this river here. Look, there's a more deeper section over there, so there we can go down later and try a bit. They wonder where the key is. Oh, croaking. Let's open here. Park. Boom. Oh. Look here. It's the cabin.
Det tyckte jag var jättekonstigt.
Där.
Det är ju min kyrka.
I don't know.
Ja.
Jag har glömt att lämna fönstret öppet tidigare.
Ja. Det är mitt första på veckan. Vi måste ju stänga igen nu. Annars får vi in helvete snart. Sen när vi är här själva.
Ja, det var det. Här finns det mygghatt där. Ja. Mosquito hats. Here's some things people have left behind. Staying here. You can use if you want.
Utedassen var det äckligaste jag varit på.
Ja, det var det som luktade. Jag tyckte det luktade.
Det var riktigt vidrigt ska ni veta.
Was it that bad? So my sister thought the toilet was very bad, so let's go and check it out.
Oh, it's...
Let's prepare the... Well, you know how it will look like in the hole, so we don't have to. But it smells. It's just a outdoor toilet. Many fat Germans have taken their shit there. Look, I found a picture at this place where a guy caught a trout here. You can see pretty big in this little stream here. So I wonder if we can get something like that here. Look here, the beautiful fishes in here. Let me see if you can see it here. Can you see it? They are very tiny and small. Can you see the beautiful, can you see the waterfall here? Really beautiful. Let's go around. It's very hot today. For being in Sweden, I guess in northern Sweden it's like almost 30 degrees outside. And it's a lot of those bitey bugs, flying bugs outside. It's pretty annoying. Okay, let's see if we can get to a good point here. Okay, very nice, very nice. Look at that pool there. That pool looks very good. If not, people have fished here a lot. There should be a trout in here. There should be a trout in here. Look, people are leaving trash even. Let's be very, very careful when we throw this here. Okay. Let's see if there's anything in there.
Oh my god, what the hell is my rod doing? Yeah, of course there's small fishes in here, in this pool here. They took my worm. And let's see if we can get them again on the hook, or if they got away. Throw it just about in there. Let's see if we can get it again. Fish on, no. Yeah. Make another throw. Yeah, very careful, but I have not scared them yet. Let's see here, if we can take the hook again. No. You gotta have patience with them. You can be very, very scared to take the hook or the bait. Okay, let's see if we can get it now. Okay, we have fish on. Yes, fish on. Fish on. Look here. Right. I've got to be very, very careful here. Look at what little beautiful fish here. Little beautiful fish here. Yeah. I'm just gonna go and put it back in the pool deep down, and so I don't scare the ones that's here still. So not to wait to the more deeper pool here. There we go. There it will be fine in there. Let's try more. And we have a new worm on. Let's see if we can take another one. Okay, another one again. Okay, let's see if we can get it now again. There's perfect. There, no. It was a small one, so it had trouble to get to it. Let's try again. Let's see if I can get it here. Okay. No. Yeah. Yes, it's up there. It's up there. Yes. Yes. Come on. Take it. It's a bit small, so it's hard. I hope you can see the float here. Okay, you have it. No, he's still there. Oh, good bite. But it looked like he got scared and they ran down the river. But I'm not sure. Let's try again. Oh, big bite. That was a big bite. That was a very, very distinct bite. Very, very quick bite. Let's try again. It's extremely good to plunder my hook there. Yeah, you see? Took my worm again immediately. Like the worms is a bit too big. Better off slicing them. Let's see if we can get it. Okay, perfect. That was perfect. Come on. There. Yeah. No. Yes. Yeah. No. Yeah. Come on. Take it. Yes. We have it. Come on. Oh. Yeah. Good one. Oh no. Wait, come here. Here's another one. Little fella. Let's throw it in the backwater here. Carefully. Look. The other one is still in there. Look. Here. Just an update. My third fish here in this little spot. And not a very big size, but they are very beautiful. Very beautiful. Best size so far. Pretty okay-ish size. Like we got another one, a very small one. So now we are on our 6 trouts. A very small trout here. Give it a kiss. Okay. I'm changing spot now. From over there. I sat just over there by right there. Because I need bit more shadow and it's very hot. So I will try my luck here and see if there's anything big in this pool here. I have not scared them away yet, and so far I've taken 11 trouts, and all of them is pretty small. So we are trying here and see if we can get something bigger in this pool. We were just in that back pool there. Look behind this rock here. We had something on. Let's see if we can throw it again over there. Yeah. No, it's let go. Another try. They are behind here. I knew it. I know it. Yeah, fish on just right around behind the rocks there, but there's really no size there. This is nothing to save, but it's fun to get bait a catch, you know. Even though they are pretty small, it's fun. So he'll be going back. He'll be going back. A little one again. That's 50 now. Trout. Very beautiful. Not too much here now. I'm not getting anything here. Let's continuing on. Let's continue. I have been fishing for a while. I think I will go for a bite to eat or something and change this battery here. I'm just doing some off-road here in the waterfall. I'm moving up here to try the lake and see if there's anything up here. So let's go. You're just gonna move over here first. This dangerous spot here. Okay, I'm over now, and William over there just caught a trout, and maybe you can see it, I don't know. But we are over now, and Mr. William caught another one on that side, and I have not gotten anything here when we got to the lake here. But he got a pretty good one over there. That will be cool to see. But now I will try to move a bit more this way and see if we can get something here. Here it seems pretty dead, so we'll move on.
So we are sitting here and fishing, or at least me. I've arrived at a lake now. If you can see me now. It's so hot outside. I just bathed my hair because it's so hot. I don't know. It's 25-30 here in northern Sweden, and I just look at this view I have. How beautiful it is. So calm, so still. I don't see much fishes close to me. They are further out. I don't know. You can see deer out there. I want to try to get out there somehow. I need to bring bigger floaters. I'm only there, and I need to move around there a bit. Yeah, so I changed the spot here, and I caught one here. We will eat. Yeah. And I caught a smaller one. We will eat as well. A bit of a, how do you say, evening meal. So we will be eating a few of them, and they're pretty good size as well. Here in the lake, they seem to be a very average good size actually, since William caught one good size. So this basically is this and the other smaller there is pretty average size, so it's very good. So I will see if we can get some more, and so we can make some supper. Let's see. There's one close to me now, so we will see if it go for it. Look there, that's a good size as well out there. Yeah, wow, there's a lot of them hunting out here. If you can see on the camera, you can see they are hunting, chasing prey. A lot of them. Out there they are just hunting for prey, for bugs on the surface. There's one more big outside there I would like to capture. Two more. Oh my god, there's a really big one out there. I guess we should try to get it. Wait a bit. Just when I said it, I had something on my floater and I missed it because I wanted to start the camera. Well, the worm is still there. Huh? Okay. Let's give it another try. See if it wanna get it one more time. Look, all that small trout babies here. They're chilling here in the shallow water, eating. I usually don't see so much small trout. In any trout, like, I have not been to too many trout lakes, but in this lake it was very much. Oh my god, it's one close to me now. Okay, let's see if we can get it. Nothing now, it's moved on. Let's just wait a few more minutes and see if it's still here with us. Oh yes, it is. Yes, it is. No, it let it go. Damn. Okay guys, it's on now. It's on. Come on, take it. Yes, it's on. Come on, take it. Don't spit it out. Okay, it's still on. It's not very big, actually. It's not very big. see. Woohoo! Woohoo! I guess it's food. Yeah, they are pretty small, but we will eat a few. Like, we'll eat these 3 and William have 1. I'm back and I have left the fish at home now, and it's time to take a little dip in this water, so it will be nice.
Oh, that was so good. Oh, that was so good. Cleaning stuff. Cleaning us up. Oh. It was really nice.
That was a good one. Let's go and eat some food. Let's go eat food.
Hello, welcome to my vlog. This is William, this is Adam. You look like Jeffrey Dahmer.
Nej.
Hello, this is Dad. He's driving like a maniac.
Vem är det du pratar med nu?
Kamera.
And this is Joel, the pro fisher, the pro filmer, the
KGB var det, såg du det?
pro YouTuber.
Ja, KGB, såg du det?
Lapp-KGB.
Ja.
Kommer de bryta fingrarna på en om man ljuger om att man har tjuvfiskat?